Hello and welcome. I am here today to finally open up the newest Lorcana gift box, which comes with this Elsa promo card, as well as 5 mystery packs. So, yeah, let's crack it open. Now, I don't know if every box is different or if all the packs are always the same. I've only seen a couple other openings. So, this way. Get that Elsa card right on top. All right, there's that Elsa promo card. Beautiful. So put that over here. Oh wow! So I never saw someone get Archia's Island in this. So we got one of that, 2 Azurite Seas, and 2 Shimmering Skies. Okay, so they are different. As yeah, the other ones I've seen have gotten a Reign of Jafar pack in here. So yeah, so we'll save Archia's for last. That's the only one we have of that. So let's crack open Azurite Sea. Now, I've had like no luck from Azurite Sea. I've gotten basically nothing from the set. Okay, we got Toodles, Lead the Way, Ben, Chief Bongo, a very merry very merry unbirthday, John Silver, Aladdin, Bleakley, Training Dummy, Tigger, the first rare, Alice, the super rare, and Hollow and Common Tuk Tuk. Yeah, I have not been a big fan of Azurite Sea, so hopefully we can get something. I didn't like how they made all the enchanted just gold cards. Prince Naveen, Fairy Ship, Toodles, Lead the Way. I've been in the same comments. I'm still here. Mosquito Bite, Gopher, Diablo, Rare Mystical Tree, Rare Yokai, and a Hollow Common Juju. Once again, Azurite Sea gave me nothing. So, Shimmering Skies, still after that enchanted Mufasa from the set, which is one of the big cards to get. Potion of Might, Hypnotic Deduction, Gale, Minnie Mouse, Medal of Heroes, Shield of Arendelle, Ruby, Chromicon, all fumed out. Bruni, super rare Who's With Me, and another super rare of the Queen, and a common Ulf. Well, that is an Ulf if I've ever seen it. So let's go to our second Shimmering Skies pack. Now, as a recording, we're only a couple weeks away from the newest set, Whispers in the Well, coming out. So I'm definitely going to be getting that as soon as that drops. Retrosphere, Vanellope, Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, all the ducks, Flora, Sneezy, Mother Gothel, Rapunzel's Tower, Simba, Tug of War, the first rare, another super rare Scroop, and an uncommon Alan Adale. Well, we've had 0 luck here. So hopefully our one pack here of Archia's Island can come through, as we've gotten absolutely nothing out of this gift box other than that nice promo card there, Elsa. So hopefully that's not the only thing we get. Drizella, Bolt, Out of Order, Bucky, Penny the Orphan, Miss Bianca, Magical Maneuvers, Egg, Helga, Sinclair. Our first rare is Donald Duck. Our second rare is Calhoun. And our final card is an uncommon Mirabelle Madrigal. Well, shit. That was just some really bad luck on those 5 packs. But yeah, at least we got this nice promo card of Elsa. And yeah, I do like that you get a nice variety in this set. Or sorry, in this gift box. Different packs. So I would definitely recommend it. But hopefully you have better luck than me. And let me know. Comment below if I should try my luck again and get another one of these. So thanks for watching. And if you want to see more content on collectibles, movie reviews, like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.